Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook in cast iron skillet without sticking. First, always make sure your cast iron skillet is immaculately clean before you begin any cooking. A clean surface is crucial for preventing food from adhering. After washing, dry your skillet completely over low heat on the stovetop for about 2 minutes, which removes all moisture and prepares it for the next step. This initial care sets the foundation for a truly non-stick experience every time you cook. Once your skillet is dry and warm, apply a very light coating of high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil, using a paper towel. You only need about 1/4 of a teaspoon for an 8-inch skillet. Wipe until it looks almost dry. Continue to heat the skillet until the oil begins to smoke slightly, indicating it has bonded with the metal. This process, called seasoning, creates a natural barrier that food simply won't stick to, improving with every use. The key to nonstick cooking lies in proper preheating. Place your skillet over medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes before adding any food. You can test the heat by dropping a few water droplets. If they dance and evaporate, it's ready. Use enough cooking oil or butter to coat the bottom, ensuring it shimmers before adding ingredients. Resist the urge to constantly move your food. Let it develop a crust, which helps it release naturally from the surface. After cooking, clean your skillet while it is still warm, using hot water and a stiff brush or scraper. Avoid soap if possible to protect the seasoning. Dry it completely over low heat on the stove for about 2 minutes, ensuring no moisture remains. Finally, apply another very thin layer of cooking oil, wiping off any excess, and allow it to cool. This routine maintains your skillet's non-stick surface, making each cooking experience easier and more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.